Hello and welcome to another episode of Goa 365's Face to Face. Now with me today is Trajan Di Mello, whom we had spoken to a couple of episodes back. Now Trajan is a known political figure, known analyst, but in the recent past he has got embroiled in a issue with the Congress, with the Congress leadership rather, with the president and the GPCC president and the leader of opposition, for the troubles which he has taken, he was suspended from the party. Now, before that, I'm sure there must have been negotiations going on and such an outspoken and fiery speaker like Trajan is obviously with such an idea of what's going on in politics. Obviously, he has no depth, moronna as they say in Konkani. So today he is with the TMC. So now, before we move into his TMC, why he joined the TMC and what he thought the TMC could do for Goa, being so far away from West Bengal, I would like him to elaborate on the situation in the Congress and what brought things to head finally. Trajan Bab, first, welcome to our show, and second, give us an example of the past, before we move on to the present.
The past has been opened up by the present.
Okay.
I knew, and I'm on record in writing.
Okay.
But because I told the leader of opposition, don't do dramas on the floor of the house with people who betrayed our party. The people who were in power but kicked out, not left on their own. This is the difference. They did not leave. They kicked out. And this fellow, then he told me, and I wrote this to the party president. And the party president questioned me, can I just send this letter of yours to the leader of the opposition? I said, please do it. I have nothing to hide. What I have written, I mean it. Then Digambar Kamath came to the Congress house and took me outside and told me, that is only floor management.
What are you talking about exactly, Trajan Bab?
When they were taking on the government on various issues, let us take the Made issue. Now the Made issue, the BCC president is on record that it was all totally blundered, that judgment. And then you are using the same people and you walk out. What did you get by walking out on the Made issue? What is the game plan? Walking out is not a solution to solve problems. You don't play dramas. You have no courage to take on this government. Because the leader of the opposition himself a sword is hanging of the mining Ghotala and the JICA is totally attached to it. So how do you expect him to making drama, walking out, I took this on the floor of the house, I took that on the floor. What did you take, where did you bring anything to its logical conclusion? I am a layman. When the late chief minister was sleeping in the ICU, nobody could meet him. His own cabinet ministers were shouting, nothing is happening and all that. And we have got our opposition people, Reginald and all. What did they do? Trajan Di Mello went to the court. And that brought the late chief minister in a very pitiable condition to show his existence on the Atul Setu bridge. So what? And there are so many other issues that took over the casino. They say you cannot attack the casino.
Why do they say that?
And then they have a morcha saying for price and suddenly they turn it towards the GPCC president, turns it towards the casino and they get lathi charged. And next day you go for Gandhigiri. Why did you not do that first? So who got the beating? The leaders? Show me one leader who got a whack. So you bring people, just use them, try to put pressure on casinos, and then next day you go. And when we have been demanding, and I got a letter to say that you do not take it up. So how do you, and at the end of the day, this treacherous alliance, so-called, yesterday declared that they are going to come together, was my number 1 point agenda. The PCC president is on record to say that as long as he is the PCC president, such an alliance will not happen. What is it now?
But you wanted the alliance?
No.
You didn't want that?
Definitely not. How will what did Rahul Gandhi mean by betrayers and traitors? Can he explain this? And yesterday he tweets, he said that he received I had a very fruitful discussion. You are out to have fruits of power at the cost of sucking the blood of the Goans by putting the mafias of formalin, putting the mafias of mine looters, putting the mafia of JICA together, putting the betrayers who betrayed our power, which the mandate was given to us. And what is this nonsense? Other people have not been forgotten, people are waiting to teach them a lesson, and you say we are going to come together. You should have told this long time, you should have made an announcement here. What did he mean? Are you trying to think that the Goans don't know English? Does Rahulji think that he knows more English than the Goans? By saying that we will not touch betrayers and traitors, I challenge them to explain who these betrayers and traitors you are referring to. Let me tell you, those who defected, the other 10, were sold to them. How you call them betrayers? They were sold.
What do you mean sold?
Sold means that big money was exchanged hands. Tell me what happened about the disqualification petition. Tell me why the leader of opposition did not be a part of that disqualification petition. Tell me why Reginald did not sign that disqualification petition. Now Reginald used to say, they're all grandfathers there. So now Reginald is there to look after the children, grandchildren. And the other day he was caught red-handed going to Fadnavis. See his video, what is it cheating here? And then you say you call it strategy. Now, one more thing. See how things are opening. There is a God. You cannot play mischief. There is a limit. Tall leaders, intelligent leaders, I have told you last time also.
Yes.
Please. This now so-called alliance, let us talk it. Fatharda is involved. Sholay is involved. Saligaon is involved. Sangya is involved. Right? 4 are definitely involved. The blocks have approved this.
Has it been put before the blocks?
No, I'm asking,
But you were in the Congress, you should know whether the blocks...
The other day in Kalangu, the tall strategist goes there, he says, I don't know who the enemy is.
You are the chief spokesman, Maharaj.
Definitely not put, no. I challenge them to say that the blocks have approved this. I want the GPCC president to come on record. GPCC president, according to me, has decided to take a big buck and then say, I'm not...
Okay, now let me just go into, out of these four whichever, how many you did, I want to speak about 2 seats, Kalangut and Sioli. Now we hear that the MLA minister today, who is likely to leave the BJP and maybe join, I don't know, TMC, Congress, or
anywhere.
Now what have you heard about it? How big a difference is that going to make to the whole polity? And Kalangut, I don't know about Sioli.
No, 1 minute.
Yeah. Maybe Saligaon he might have.
Criteria, loyal people. Are these loyal fellows that you're trying to have alliance with? Even if the bloc, let us presume for the purpose of argument, bloc propose that, if they are loyal, you will accept it. If loyalty is a criteria, just because the bloc proposes some mad things, you will not accept it, no? So where is this? For example, let's come back to Kalangut.
Yeah, Kalangut and Sioli, these 2 points I'm talking about.
I'm coming to Kalangut now. Kalangut, I said it, I'm repeating it. When the bloc meeting was called, there was a demand, not my demand. Those workers there who have slogged and stayed with the Congress under all the torture of that particular local MLA there, they have faced the brunt of it, maybe at the police station, maybe at anywhere, at any point of environment, in every situation, everybody knows this. Then he's asked, what about, he said, I don't know him.
But did the bloc decide? That they are not going to allow him to come in?
Definitely. There is no doubt about that.
They have said that?
100%. They were demanding an assurance.
Did they get an assurance?
No. And on top of that, he told the press, I don't know who's he.
This is outside?
And already he is in Delhi.
Okay.
And the one fellow from the Goa forward is with him. There.
Jayesh?
Yes.
Now who are they meeting? BJP or Congress?
Both. Because finally...
TMC?
Finally, TMC or AAP, if you go, fair enough. What moral right is, just see what has this Goa forward president spoken about Rahul Gandhi.
Yeah.
Forget the rest. He has called our PCC president Boner. And this Boner, according to me, will go home and say, I was not in favor of it. But allow it to happen. This is the strategy.
Or the High Command has said it.
But I'm going home and become the holier than thou. Nobody is going to believe him. He has to break it by saying I'm going home, I don't agree to this, collect your bag and go home. The Porvorim block president, now tell me, till today Porvorim there is no block president.
That he attacked the
Yes,
GC president.
he said he'll be the richest politician before the counting of votes. Correct is happening, see. I was a big hurdle there as far as I have congratulated the Chief Minister Pramod Sawant from the Congress platform, an official Congress spokesperson speaking, congratulated him for throwing out the gang of 6. I have repeated that at a press conference in Fatorda against with that alliance. So that all was...
Municipality election.
Yes,
Plan.
I was telling it from then. No, it is not on party line. How long are you going to fool the people of Goa? The Goans are not fools. And I want to tell Rahul Gandhi ji directly, don't come and try to think that Goans can be taken for a ride. You will learn, and the tall strategist said, everything will begin from Goa. They have finished the Congress in Goa. They have finished the Congress in Goa. You think Goans are going to be... Goans are waiting for an opportunity. Like once again, you said it last time, you think will they begin? There was some corner of some people with this situation. Formalin Mafia together. Jaika Mafia. Your mining, Gotala. I don't want to name. Let us take the EDM festivals.
Yeah, I wanted to talk about the EDM. Now, what is this? This is a whole confusion about the
Nothing. This is all drama.
By whom now?
I'm telling you, no. Drama by the BJP government now. Today, what is happening today?
Okay.
Tourism Minister approves it. Show must go on.
Yes.
Chief Minister blocks it. Nothing to block. Up.
Okay.
Up the ante.
Okay.
Huh? I will show you a noting of the late Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, who said, no, there are so many complaints about drugs. And please understand, I fought it out
In the court.
in the court, not once, 4 times, where the judge in the open court had to ask the AG, instead of government trying to recover the money, where layman has to come to the court to demand the money, and the last minute. They used to play it so well. The function is at 10 o'clock. At 6 o'clock, they are about to, and I have to file it. 7 crores I have recovered through me. What have all these MLAs done?
What did the opposition do at that time?
Reginald, supposed to be the face. Going the midnight to meet Fadnavis.
Face or the soul of the Congress?
What soul, man? A corrupted soul. I take a challenge, come tell him to come on for a debate. The media should, because let the people of Goa know it. No, I may be wrong. He has to have right to defend himself. I talking here alone makes a one-sided situation. Let him come.
So
I, being a layman, have taken things to logical conclusion.
Yes. In the EDM you have, yes.
For the EDM sake, I faced a 50 crore defamation suit in Mumbai, not here. Advocate Rohit Braj, this has stood for me free of cost. But yet I had to take him and bring him back 7 times.
Obviously, yes.
He fought me and told me that, don't worry. 50 crores is not a joke. My family would not get sleep. Show me one politician in Goa who has faced such. I don't think in India there is. But show me in Goa. Why me? Well, I'm fighting. I fought the EDM cases. I fought the tourism minister. Did Reginald demand his resignation? When the High Court says, revert all the land back to Sierra Leone, who fought it? Trajan Dimalo fought it. Individual. And everybody screaming, he's a soul, as you said. What soul? A corrupted soul. And again I'm repeating, I would like to be fair to him. Any media should have a dialogue with me, a debate with me.
So you are challenging Reginald for a debate on any issue on this?
Yes, I will show what sort of a soul he was there. In the opposition, he put a holier than thou face. Highly corrupt.
Now this is...
And I will tell you, I have evidence. He had promised to support me in an affidavit. He promised to file an affidavit. Our case would have been stronger against Parrikar when he was in his ICU.
Okay.
He promised. Tell him to say no.
But he did not file.
He didn't come next day. No, people said, I will be fool, I will not be fool. What is the fool here? You are filing an affidavit to say, yes, it's not available.
Because you're an MLA, yes.
And then what? He promised one.
And he got.
Tell him. That's why I'm saying bring him on a debate. Now, there's so many things I can bring
Yeah,
out.
now see, this is a very interesting thing now. Reginald is the face of the Congress. There is no other face.
Disaster.
Yeah, but he is.
And that is.
No, but he is. You have to admit.
I said it.
There
No.
is nobody else.
I said a campaign manager.
This is a-
A manager who's the face is on record for 4.5 years to say, I will not step the Congress office till this corrupt president is removed.
But he is the working president today.
You're not only working, but he's the face of the campaign. Well,
You know, face is the head of that thing. I think is Chidambaram. If
no. Campaign chairman committee is Reginald. Campaign chairman committee means you are almost the face.
Yes. Okay.
You can also be in the race for the chief ministerial position.
That I don't think Digambar would like very much.
No, Digambar, this fellow is sellable, no?
Digambar is not.
What is more?
Once the election happens, then things will change.
Yes, because he's been told you take this and go. He want now money, no, for campaign. You require money, no?
Correct.
That's it.
Tickets, seats, all that.
I will be very grateful to you if you can convince. You're a very prestigious channel. If you can convince Reginald to clear out all
No,
this.
on the channel directly we can say, Arey, Reginald Bab, Trajan Bab is directly challenging you for
Yes,
a debate.
yes.
Now, from the channel side,
From the
channel side, we are open anytime you have the debate. On
I am asking-
Anytime.
I am asking this
is
debate-
an open invitation for you and for Reginald. Channel is open. You, if you want me as a host, I'll be a host.
You
If
have
not-
to.
Yeah, fine.
Somebody should be there.
Yes.
My question is, I want to tell him
It's
that
an open invitation. for
I
both
am
of you.
telling him,
Open
I am
anytime, day or
telling
night.
him only on one ground, that he gets a fair chance to defend himself.
Fair enough. I'm giving an open challenge.
That's what my
I'm
image is.
giving an open invitation.
Good. Good, let him
Channel is
accept
open
it.
anytime.
Let him accept it.
Let him accept.
Let him accept it.
We'll settle.
Casinos, KTC, everything I will place before him, let him defend it.
Yes, fair enough. Fair enough. Anyway, this has got more interesting than I thought it would. Very interesting. Anyway, fine. Let's now tell me, Trajan Bab, the present, moving into elections. Of course, the BJP is the biggest, is the ultimately the apple or the main
Target.
the main target. But also there is a movement. There is obviously you need to. Congress has still got 20 odd percentage. So obviously the TMC and AAP are also vying for chief opposition, and then probably displacing the.
See,
government.
let us not
So why? How
consider-
How did you get into? What do you have to
Let's-
say on this issue?
I am getting on TMC is a very simple scenario.
Sure.
In fact, I had said that I will not anymore talk about the Congress the day I joined TMC.
Okay.
It's all said and done.
Okay.
But if these people start doing this,
But they are doing. They never stopped.
no, this betrayal open, you come
They
here.
never stop.
You say that you are not going to touch betrayers, giving everybody hope. You say block presidents are going to decide. All without the block presidents, you all are taking decisions of those particular constituencies, and plus more are there in a give and take situation. Okay? Now, my question is, the tall leader talks that no, we'll be only the.
Yeah, so what you are going? What you want?
See,
plan? What TMC? What
TMC's plan is simple. Fight the BJP without getting any. And I'm convinced. See, I'm convinced because I've been watching it. Take the Bengal elections. So fiercely fought battle. Fiercely fought battle. Not only India, but the whole world was watching it. And we have our Rahul Gandhi who puts candidates there. That is the time you are not dividing their votes.
The Congress put candidates. No?
Definitely, and in combination with the CPI or CPI, whatever it is. What is this? And she fought it. And people trusted her. Question is, my simple thing is that the misery and the suffering that the people have gone for these last 10 years, once they got a mandate, they robbed the mandate. Now, I cannot say it robbed. They purchased the mandate. They purchased the mandate, the correct word, from the Congress, from the GFP, from the independents. Correct? Purchased the mandate, but the sufferings of the people never got over. Let's take the political thug of Porvorim. He is on record to say in the floor of the house that tourism minister Serula Komnika thing, a house committee should be formed. Right?
Yes.
What did he do after he became revenue minister? He had nothing to do. I got official notices served to him as a revenue minister. Put into action the court order. He's not done that.
full term as revenue minister, he did not do that.
Nothing. On the contrary, what he has done is that matter is pending. He has raised RTI fees. That is achievement. Make it difficult for people to come.
No, he's supposed to be the people's MLA.
Not people's MLA. What people's MLA?
He's supposed to be.
And then we have got our president who is making way for him to come in.
Yeah, I've heard. I'm not sure.
But from your platform, you have made us speak here, calling everything about him. He has made us speak because, as I told you, the very fact that we could not speak of the casino means what? We have to take approval now every time.
For everything you already have to take.
We have to
approval
inform.
of the
We are taking this topic. We are taking this topic.
And then sometimes.
And then he will give his points if required.
Okay.
And we may take the points or may not take the points. He was passing time.
Okay.
Yeah, to show that he is very much in this game.
Okay, one thing. Wait, let me interrupt you one thing. Now, these 4-5 years, the Congress has not taken up too many issues. The price has been rising for past so many 4-5 years. Wait, one sec. Let me finish. Petrol has been rising for so long. Now, the minute the Congress center takes up these issues, then why did the local Congress take up these
No,
issues?
those issues have been taken up in view of all these 5-6 state assemblies.
Yeah, but center.
Yes.
So, that means in Goa the prices had not risen.
No, they are not bothered. No, but tell me one thing. Now
The point is, now you're talking about they had this price rise issue. Price rise issue, I know that it is a all India.
no, they protest and that is the end of the
all
day.
India protests were happening. They did not. It was not a Goa centric. That means Goans didn't have
A
problem with
party
the price
that was
rise and
deeply
petrol.
involved. A
Now
party.
they are coming out on the road saying the roads are bad.
A
5
party-
years Goa
See,
365 has been fighting. over
What
the
is right is right. Whatever it is. The Goa Forward Party treasurer who was involved in that heritage site
Yes.
was removed.
Yes.
Block president who sponsored in the panchayat area is not removed. He said he gave a letter that that is withdrawn it. What nonsense is this? See, then therefore it looks
Who's block president? Congress block.
Congress block president.
Congress block president involved in that?
Congress block president is the man who seconded a resolution in the panchayat.
Really?
100%.
Why? What? This they have to go and protest there against.
And he's also there in the protest.
What?
So same thing.
Wait. I'm like totally confused here.
The protest that they went,
Yes.
he's there
As the protester.
as a protester.
But he only cleared the file.
Yeah, because that same thing, no. He had gone to meet Fadnavis, but I went to check the locks. I had not gone to break the locks. This is what is happening. And the president is fully, and the president said, I am aware that he had gone to meet that strategist. See,
Who is the strategist now?
they are not disclosed, no?
Fadnavis?
They are not disclosed. Fadnavis said, he is not me. It was Pramod. See, Reginald has been a strategist or a puppet in the hands of Pramod Sawant. I will prove him that also. I'll prove him that. On his birthday, he had almost gone, no. Why? What? On his birthday day, when these people went, PCC president and then had a press conference, the previous day almost going. For what? What are you looking for? The 2 seats of his of Kurtore wards. He sold it to go forward. What is the explanation? You had an alliance, no? Margaon, Digambar kept his. Fatorda, Vijay kept his. Why you sold yours? We have both were go forward there. So what are you? It was, I told you, the sacking became a blessing in disguise.
No, but now Digambar Kamath is a chief minister.
Who told you this?
No. He has been a chief minister.
He became a chief minister. There is no chief minister in Goa, including Lakshman Parsekar, who came to 7 seats.
The next election was how much? That's what I was.
7 seats.
So after running the state for 5 years,
Yeah, and he said, I ran it very well. What do you ran? You chore.
and next election assembly, how much did the Congress get?
7
So that means, but
or 9,
today-
whatever it is. 9.
Yeah. So today, this same person is the leader of opposition appointed by the High Command.
What? High command, where there is high command, when the high command doesn't know what is happening. He thinks Goans are fools.
Who? The Gandhis? How can you talk about like this about?
My God, I'm not talking, I'm telling you about the actions. You come here.
Okay, I was being sarcastic.
No, you come here. 8 days. You first of all, now tell me one thing. You know that all the MLAs went to meet him for the removal of
Yeah.
GPCC president.
Yes.
Who was Rahul Gandhi for them to meet him? What is the position?
What is his post right now?
Nothing. He is taking decisions without any accountability and responsibility. And here this PCC president following the same step, I say, I don't know, they did it, he did it. even my suspicion is supposed to be directed by Dinesh Gundu Rao, a man who has been caught for malpractices, and the malpractice was in connection with Goa Forward Party.
Alliance, or last time.
When he was just told to leave the place mysteriously.
But
And
this was
yesterday
now.
he's there, sitting with that, standing with that. And that is a new style. Now who is leading whom? Goa Forward is leading the entire Congress. But that is the same style he wanted it in. But there's a video to that effect. तुम्ही सर वयर हात काढून द्या, वयर हात काढून द्या, प्रेसाक दाखवून द्या. Video is there, I'm not saying it. And आमचे पोटे, आमचे leader, whole and soul, and what is this here? Come on, it's nauseating, man. I will tell you, it has reached a point that I will go in every nook and corner if I get an opportunity to say about what you are doing. This is the biggest disaster. People who have betrayed party, people who sold the bloody power, are coming together.
So that means you're saying that the TMC and like by default also AAP would be a much better opposition
See,
than
all the time Congress played on one card. Anti-incumbency. Therefore, I will get the votes.
They assume.
Now, this time it is very bad.
There are options. What you're
And good options. Options who have proved.
that they're-
Bengalis, that they are all out, they are interested. See all in their scenario today. See the TMC, the traction she is getting everywhere she goes. See it. Because whoever are not with the BJP, they have one agenda. Remove the BJP.
I agree.
What this fellow is doing here? Playing nonsense. 23 top leaders here. Come on, whether you like it or not. They've got some credibility. They may not win a seat, they may not win. That's fair enough. But they've got credibility among the people here. What? You don't care for them? Let it happen. But who are you? But at the end of the day, everybody has to vote and meet you. What is the biggest treachery of democracy is that for the Congress party? Everybody goes and meets him. Nobody meets Madam Sonia Gandhi. And decisions are taken. Everybody knows it.
Fair enough. Okay. We have run out of time, Rajan Bab. It was interesting. Probably before elections we might meet again. So it's very interesting take on what is happening. But I don't know. Most of it probably people are aware, not aware. We are not aware. We are not aware. Anyway, Rajan Bab, it was a pleasure hosting you. Thank you very much. And we shall, before elections, surely we will be again. We will be talking to her. Thank you. Thank you very much. So very
God bless you.
interesting and very insightful discussion.
God bless you, Glenn. God bless you.
And keep watching Goa 360.